Yeah, decide if you was amusing, don't stop now. Shake to the top now. Yep, mommy got me hot now. That's what Diddy was talking about when he said he needed love to make his heart stop pounding. She took it on down. Giggle in the front, I'm thinking what to do now.
We're back in the kitchen today, and today I'm making chicken sandwiches and fries. Starting off with cleaned chicken. I'm cutting off all the fatty parts or any parts that I didn't want. And then after I cut off all the parts that I didn't want, I'm gonna thin it out so I can get more out of the one piece. Also because I don't like thick pieces of chicken, so you'll see me cutting them like as thin as I can get them. So after I got it all cut up, I'm gonna add in an egg. I used banana pepper juice because I didn't have pickles, but I felt like it would do the same thing. When it came to seasonings, I didn't really grab anything specific, but you'll see them in the video. No measurements, I just put until I felt like it was enough.
She want it here, way I put it down. Music don't stop now, shake to the top now. Yep, mommy got me hot now. That's what Diddy was talking about when he said he needed love to make his heart stop pounding. She took it on down. Giggle in the front, I'm thinking what to do now. Baby, this is hit a thug about to have a fit. If I don't get you to the crib, so mama be considerate. My you is hit, and you know it, and I does too. Do you know we're ending this relationship with your boy in this club could do? Don't tell me this a one night stand, or you grinding got me strong on you. I hope this doesn't trouble you. Not trying to be the one that'll smother you, but if you with it, girl, we can dance and chill or whatever the case.
Yes, I did use a grocery bag to mix it up because I didn't have gloves and I really didn't want to touch it.
Getting loose on the wall in her Darion jeans. Don't stop, cause I'm looking my carry on, please. She break it on down with her hands on her knees. Her body looking right, and I'm trying to get a squeeze. You know what you doing, girl, bring it to a G. You came here to dance, and I came here to see. So if you say that last dance, save it for me. Before you say anything, let me proceed. Ready to go there, will you go there with me? To a place of limited grace, genuine taste. We can vanish from the average life. No trace on the dance floor, it's just us. Just lust, I don't think any club could be ready for us. On the dance floor, it's just us. Straight lust, I don't think any dance floor is ready for us. Nah, I see you getting in your zone when the beat play. Before you started, little mama, bring it my way. She poppin', she groovin', I like how she movin'. Don't stop now, baby, keep it. Yeah, decide if you was amusing, don't stop now. Shake to the top now. Yep, mommy got me hot now. That's what Diddy was talking about when he said he needed love to make his heart stop pounding. She took it on down. Giggle in in the front, I'm thinking what to do now. Baby, this is it, a thug about to have a fit. If I don't get you to the crib, so mama be considerate. My view is hit, and you know it, and I does too. Do you know we're ending this relationship with your boy in this club could do? Don't tell me this a one night stand, the way you grinding got me strong on you. I hope this doesn't trouble you. Not trying to be the one that'll smother you, but if you with it, girl, we can dance and chill or whatever the case is. Tell me what it is. When you done dancing with lames, you can come and get the business. I see you getting in your zone when the beat play. Before you started, little mama, bring it my way. She poppin', she groovin', I like how she moving. Don't stop now, baby, keep it going. I'm trying to cherish the moment, decide if you was amusing. She poppin', she groovin', I like how she moving. Damn, I'm falling for the girl getting loose on the wall in her Darion jeans. Don't stop, cause I'm looking my
Pushing that back, she's back, she's back. All I do is sit back and relax right here with me. Baby, right here with me. Shawty right here with me. Baby, right here with me. Shawty, if you want it, all you gotta do is
She ride the boy like a taxi. Didn't think she was this nasty. Told her hop on, slide that don't feel like the walls was about to collapse me. Did what she could to attract me. Roll with the dogs like Daphne.
And I did end up double battering them just because I felt like it would help them be a little bit more crispy.
But she had the boy over here switching up the flow. Could've sworn I was fenced to keep it straight. But now I'm trying to bake them cheese. Time to say
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and you're in the mood for empathy. Is blood in my pen. Better yet, for your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I couldn't.
After battering them, I let them sit for a bit to let the flour sit in while I cut the potatoes. I did go in with a little bit of salt in the rest of that Hooters batter. Not too much salt because the batter is kind of seasoned. But I did season them with a little bit of salt after they were finished.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, do you miss your touch? I needed to distance myself from you.
For the sauce, I went in with a little bit of honey and Frank's Red Hot. After I mixed it up, I did let it sit in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And there you have it. That's dinner. Thanks for watching.
I'm trying to cherish the moment, decide if you was amusing. She vibing, she grooving, I like how she moving. Show good. Damn, I found a pretty girl getting loose on the wall in her dairy.